How's it going, everyone? Just making a quick Bitcoin update. Now, the structure changed down here at 52, 53k back in September, where this key level of support was maintained. I've already made past updates on Bitcoin, and everyone in my Discord knows. If you want to join, the links down below in the description or the bio of my Twitter. And we're talking about this 59k level. I'm actually going to draw a horizontal line across this. And if we look into the past, we actually noticed that this began the bear market. Once it was lost the support, see, we actually maintained its support and created a new higher high, a new all-time high, 69,000. But the moment we lost 59, 60k and retested it as resistance, we saw 77% bear market. And in fact, guys, before this bear market even began, there was a dip summer of 2021, and you can see it respect this 59k level exactly, and this brought a 55% correction in the bull market, guys. We actually haven't even experienced that for Bitcoin this time round. I think it was low as 33% on this current dump. So in terms of the performance so far, it hasn't done as bad as it did last time in terms of the dump Bitcoin formed. And although the altcoins have been absolutely trash in terms of the dumps, Bitcoin is totally safe. Bitcoin is still looking for higher. If we look at some higher time frames, like the monthly, we can see it maintaining key levels of support over here. The moving averages, after losing, it's now reclaiming it and maintaining its support, so it's looking for a new higher high. On the 3 monthly, you can see as well the last 3 months maintain this key EMA as support. On the 6 monthly, we're printing these bullish candles, maintaining all these supports. So over the long term, we are going up as a fact. I'm not seeing any changes on the chart right now to make me force to change my bias. Essentially, my bias remains valid that it is bullish over time, and we saw that a change right at the beginning of September, if you remember, on this key level support. So now, what does Bitcoin now need to do? Make sure you like the video if you haven't already. We're trying to hit 9k as quick as possible. I will be back with more updates going forward, nice short ones like this. Now, going forward, after making the higher low down over here and the higher high above this, we're just falling back to this key level, and we essentially came back to this neckline of this double bottom over here. So we're looking for continuation higher. There is a level I need to see broken, 67.6k. If we can get a daily close above that, still not out of the woods yet, we need to close above 68.5k. These are the two levels that I'm watching. If Bitcoin can daily candle close above either one of these two levels, so if we break above this one, then we're looking to attack the next one. But yeah, we really do need a break of both, 68.5k being that final level, and then we are attacking 70,000, looking to break and get back up to our previous all-time highs. In fact, we have targets higher than our all-time high. So that's all dependent on the break of these two levels, 67.6 and 68.5. What Bitcoin needs to do is break through that. Otherwise, if it fails to do so, we're looking to come next to the 64k location where the 55 moving average is. From there, I want to see the bounce that breaks. Again, guys, if this level fails, still bullish, but we come down one more time into the 200 EMA around 62,000, and from there we expect the continuation. It's similar to what happened here on the last dump where we bottomed out at 59k. This is the first time this dip that we actually maintained that low, where in 2021 we saw the 55 and the 77% corrections, including the bear market. Now, this is the first time in this dip that we've respected this level exactly. Here we fell through it, but reclaimed it, and then fell through it again, and fell through it again. This is the only time that we respected it as support, as well as the other moving averages, the 200 EMA being the most key. That was also not being respected, so we're now seeing that. That means it's bullish. 60k is a level I don't expect to be revisited. I don't expect it to be revisited. If we're losing this, then it's starting to look bearish. I'm not believing that. Right now, we could get a bounce from 20 to continue high. We just need to see 67.6 and 68.5k broken. Otherwise, again, looking for the 55 EMA to be retested next on the daily time frame at 64,000. Now from there we should continue higher. Okay, but it's more than fine. As you can see over here, you fall into the 200 EMA, reclaimed all the moving averages and put a higher high. So it's fine if Bitcoin even goes down as low as 61, 62k and continues higher, but I'm not even expecting that as of right now. I think that the 20 or the 55 is more than good enough, so 64k is more than good enough before continuation higher. We just need to see at some point daily candle closes above 67.6 and 68.5k. Guys, that's it from me today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share if you want to jump in into my community where I teach you guys on a daily basis, keeping you updated with all my personal views. I'm predicting each way, whether it's going up or down, making you all aware so you're not getting caught off guard, what the next movement is essentially. So all the links you need are down below if you want to get educated. Cheers, everyone.